Welcome guys, we're here today in Cupecoy checking out a brand new construction site that just broke ground. We're talking about 9 luxury townhomes that are priced to sell.
We're super excited about this project. The townhouses are going to be 3-bedroom, 3-bathroom and are priced starting at $625,000 all the way to $1 million. Completion date of the project is going to be the end of 2024.
Chances are all this inventory is going to be sold way before completion. Let's go check out the construction site so you can see why we say that.
Although all unique in size, they share the same essential elements and provide the same stunning views. Upon entry, you will find a 2-car garage, a laundry room, and an additional space which can be a bedroom or a gym with its bathroom, along with a lovely garden. Moving up to the first floor, you'll discover an open living dining area with an equipped kitchen. From the living room, you'll have access to the terrace overlooking the lagoon, providing an ideal spot for relaxation. On the second floor, you will find the master bedroom with an ensuite bathroom and a balcony with a lagoon view, as well as another bedroom with its own bathroom. All 3 bathrooms will be fully finished with vanities, completed showers, and toilets. Each house is solidly built of concrete and the design is truly unique on the island, featuring modern luxury touches like Japanese toilets and smart technology, making them innovative and practical for everyday living. For more information on La Maddalena or to schedule a viewing, please do not hesitate to contact us at iriteam.com.